Hi everybody, welcome back. It is that time of the month to unbag FaceTory. FaceTory is a mask subscription service. It is by far my favorite beauty subscription service that is out there. FaceTory is based out of and ships out of California, but they focus on Korean beauty and Korean skincare brands, as well as their own house brand, which is amazing. So if you want to get FaceTory for yourself, there are 3 different types of FaceTory subscriptions you can purchase each month. I will leave all of that info down for you in the description box. Today we are unbagging the Forever Fresh kit, but first, let's go over what we got used up last month. So I'm super happy to report I got all 4 of the masks used last month. So proud of myself, so proud. So let me go over and tell you what I thought about them. Starting off, we had the Look at Me Cucumber Face Essence Mask. I really did like this. It really did have that really refreshing cucumber kind of smell to it. It was a little bit more serum in there than I myself personally need. Of course, you can't always put that on different parts of your body. It doesn't have to be just your face. And I do. I usually like put some on my elbows, put some down my décolleté, all that fun stuff. Other than that, it was a really good mask. It was super, just had this really cooling feeling. And again, like I said, really had that cucumber freshness scent to it. So it was just a very enjoyable mask to use. Next up was the Dual Balancing. This was a Lotus and Dandelion Moisturizing Mask from Equiporte? I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. This mask was really nice. The only critique I had on that was the way it kind of fit. It just kind of fit funny on my face. Like the eye holes were too big. And I don't know, maybe it's me. Maybe my eyes aren't as centered or they're a little bit too close to the bridge of my nose. I don't know. It just fit kind of funny. Other than that, the mask itself was fine. Had just the right amount of serum, which is something I so appreciate when you get a face mask. And I enjoyed it. Probably my favorite one to use, because of the packaging, hands down. But this was the Chocolate Milk 1-pack mask brought to us from Apiu. This smelled like chocolate. This was such an experience. It was so amazing. The mask fit really well, but it just smelled like chocolate. So I just sat there for 20 minutes and enjoyed it so much. Of course, it did make me kind of hungry because it smelled like chocolate, but it was just such a joy. And it was so moisturizing. This was probably, I would say, out of all of the masks, this was the most moisturizing. It says it was smoothing. Totally agree with that. I felt like afterwards, my skin, the texture just felt so smooth and it was so nice. So I really enjoyed this one. And last but not least, the last one I used. I pre-gamed with this before my birthday. This was the FaceTory's own brand, Smooth Me Tea Tree. And this was a 2-stepper. So you had the serum up here and then you had the mask down here. Honestly, I'm usually not a fan of these 2 steps because I feel there's so much serum in this one that you really don't need this one. However, this one left me pleasantly surprised. The serum on top, once you put that in, and it was plenty enough serum. It wasn't like overloaded. It was just the right amount of serum for my face and partly going down my neck. Once you put it on, it soaked into the skin and gave you kind of that tacky, serum-y feeling, you know, that you get. So it truly was a really good, like I would say, traditional type of serum that you would put on just during your normal skincare at night. That was really nice. And then the mask, right amount of moisture, not too much, not too little. It was very soothing. It really smelled a lot of tea tree, which I enjoy kind of the scent of tea tree. Some people don't like it, though. It's kind of off-putting for you. It kind of does have a bit of a medicine-y smell. I can kind of get that, but I like it. I like the smell of tea tree. I don't know. Maybe I'm weird. Anyway, this was supposed to also do some skin clearing. I really didn't have much going on with my skin to see any of those effects, but I did feel very clean afterwards, and it was just all around enjoyable. So that was last month's FaceTory. Let's dig in and see what we got this month. So as always, you open it up like this, and the first thing we have here is this. They've been sending these little postcards. These are so cute. Now that I have a couple of these, I'm definitely going to start kind of just sending these out to people just to put little cute notes on it because a postcard is so cute. I remember when I was a kid and I would get postcards in the mail. I was so excited. They also included some cute little fun summer stickers. You've got some donuts, some flip-flops, some sunglasses, some umbrellas, everything kind of summer. These are really cute. I think I'll probably include those in some of those postcards I mail out. As always, we have our information card, which is going to tell you everything that's included. It's also going to give you all of the details and the information on what's in the mask, all that fun stuff. So let's get going. First up, oh my gosh, it's like pop art. Again, you're totally killing me with packaging, as always. This one, of course, comes to us from FaceTory's own, and this is the Save Our Skin SOS Super Skin Power Pack. Say bye distressed skin. FaceTory's SOS Restoring Mask with Royal Jelly is here to save the world of skincare, one complexion at a time. Leave your skin feeling smooth, clear, and dewy. Next up, simple packaging, but I kind of really like this. Packaging is always a big key thing for me. I'm a sucker for cute packaging. I'm a sucker for cute names of packaging too. So this one is the Beautiful Factor Glow Sponge Hydrating Mask. Now it does feel kind of thick, so I'm guessing this is kind of a spongy type textured mask. Ooh, I can't wait to give this one a try. Tired and stressed skin? What's that? We only know glowy and healthy skin. With this sheet mask, your skin will be well hydrated and moisturized, giving you the perfect amount of radiance. Next up, this comes from Yada. They always have such cute little designs on their packaging too, with this little light girl, I think is kind of their mascot. She's usually on all of the packaging. This one I'm guessing is lime because it has little limes on it. Sometimes they have different fruits, but this is a brightening mask. Brighten up your collection with Yada's Brightening Mask Pack. This mask will make you shine and glow like no other. And last but not least, this one is coming to us from Dear Aloe. This is the Green Tea, Chamomile, and Cactus. Oh, and Cactus. Nice. Calm and soothe your skin with this healing and balancing sheet mask made to give your skin the nutrients it needs to restore hydration and moisture. And so that's it. That is everything that came in the FaceTory Forever Fresh kit this month. This is just freaking adorable. I'm really excited to give all these masks a try. We definitely got some different ones this month, I would say. Not just your normal run-of-the-mill sheet mask. We've got this one here that has cactus in it. I don't know if I've ever used a sheet mask with cactus. I think I have. I just don't remember off the top of my head. And I'm really excited to give this one a go to see because it says it's a glow sponge hydrating mask. So I'm guessing it's kind of spongy. If you're ever curious, when I wear a mask, I do always post it to Instagram so that you can see kind of how the mask fits on the face. So if you want to check that out, you can follow me on Instagram. That link will of course be down below. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Also, there are only a few more days left for my happy birthday giveaway, so make sure I will leave that video link down below that if you haven't, go over there and watch that video so that you can get entered to win the birthday giveaway. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.